Hi, I'm Chili Phil and I'm back again. I'm going to do another pepper tonight. This one's a jigsaw gator. Linda's Fiery Treats sent me a bunch of gators, like jigsaw gator, purple jigsaw, and other good ones. I love those purple jigsaws. They're really good. And so here we go with the gator. I know it's a green one, but that doesn't matter. It's going to be a hot one. It's very floral. I'm not really picking up on any of the heat. Maybe it's because it's probably not red. That's why. I knew I had a jigsaw a few months back and it packed a wicked punch. But this one right here, it moved the needle a little bit. It's only because my mouth's burning from the last pepper still. But nonetheless, jigsaw peppers are really good. I really enjoy them. So if you get a hold of some, I recommend getting them because they're a delicious pepper. They pack a nice heat. I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Bird.